Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make Rednote account. So simply open your Rednote apps, click on to me option, log in this account, click on to login. Okay, you just select your country and enter your enough phone number. Click on to login and you just enter your verification code. So check your phone number. Okay, and click on select your for interest, showing it to more category, select your favorite, so and click on to confirm. Okay, now successfully create account. So I'm set my password, click on to setting icon, account showing it to password option. So I'm set my password and press on to done. Okay, so look here, now successfully set up my account, my phone number and password. So that's it.